In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, and let me show you how to turn on or off charging sounds on this device. So at first, unroll the list of all apps, go to settings, then find and select sound and vibration. Scroll down, and here you will notice system sound and vibration control. So just mark it to enroll it, and to turn on or off charging sound, just use switcher here where you see the charging. Also, you've got the vibration set up for it. So once the indicator is active, it's obviously on, and if it's deactivated, it's switched off. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.